Hello everyone, hi to all, good evening. Today we make video mini log Monday. I have a little new collection of logs. I try to make this video maybe 4 hours, something like that. Really, I meet many problems with nice hobby with mini logs, because before I start to make video, it's mini logs not was something special in my life. Now I see it's. I have a nice collection of mini logs, and I'm just start to make this collection. Okay, not about collection. I want to say about tools for mini logs. It's something really special. I need to make uh, tensioners. Very big problem. Okay, so I try once again to make video. It's not easy to pick. Not no problem, but it's story. Okay, once again we try to pick now L nice mini lock. All locks here nice quality. It's strange for me, but it's real. It's true. So L mini lock for pins. I not have case for nothing. No have case for mini locks. Okay, I try to pick this lock with multi-pick. Number 4 on the place, number 3 on the place, number 2, number 2, number 2, 4 is out. Just a moment, I don't want to break activation of pins. Nice. And now, oops, first is out. Nice. L picked. Very good, very well. Nice lock. I start not difficult after I make difficult. Difficult is just tensioner tools. That's all. Not have something, and it's very little. I have one corbin now, not here, not here. I pick it's now. So multi lock now. Multi lock. Okay, multi lock. 6620 profile. This profile all 4 locks of multi-lock, 1 on 1. 66, 60. I think my hands резиновые. 66, 20, not have different points, this, and this. So I pick this, not different, no, I can't pick this, no. Come on, it's okay. And for have a very big question. Nice. First, that's all. It's I don't know why I picked him first time now. This it's just maybe second and third high, and I take him. No, not take. No, touch. Okay. I want to pick this multi-lock because he more interesting for me. I like when all pins activation and you have full picture. First, third, 4, second, and not 1, 4, and something 1. Maybe it's first, second. Nice. Just a moment. Maybe tensioner touch first pin. If it's yes, it's not good. No, it was 4. 4 was low. So this multi-pick we picked. Now just I want time no memory. This China lock very hard to pick him because very little place, not have place for nothing, but I'm no, it's a good lock. It's strange, but it's true. Trios circle 261 made in China, and good. I don't know how to say it, but really for him, it's very little lock. Not need to have something special. I have for something like that. This needle, it's help me if we need to do something like now. Second pin, nice. third pin, I think nice. 4, good was good. I think first, okay, second, nice, third, nice. 4 asked very hard and very low, really. First, third out, or it's 4. No, it's 4. And 3 make problem. First, nice. First on the place. Second, third, 4, and maybe first out, little out. Nice. Where I am? Difficult. Many times. To make video and to pick your hand need to be in picking process, and I forget about video, how it's looking. After this I look this after picking, and if something not good, you need to do it once again for stupid moments. Yes, really. No, I can't pick. No. It's first time I can't pick him. Don't want to take to give me today to finish this video correct. Nice. Multi-pick maybe help me now. Because all time I pick him another, no, 180 I need to turn something like that, not from here, with these two. I try to do it now, but it will not easy, really. A very big problem, not something little, a really big problem. Opa, nice moment, maybe we try to pick it because I see open way for needle. Nice. First, second, and third, it's open. Maybe it was fourth and it's picked. You see, change tensioner and two maybe. No, it was the right tool for this lock. So now L tricycle, or how to say, all this was in the story, and now it's my favorite lock, Corbin, because he have and very, very, very hard to pick him in a hand, and tensioner I can't found for him in a hand. It's open was, so now it's closed. It's Corbin. This profile, this KW have one of cylinders for door of this brand, and it's a surprise for me, this lock, really. So I can't to pick him. I can, but it's take many time. Tensioner out and many problems. So now we take tensioner for this picking, and I don't know, multi-pick tool for Corbin and tension and first and three, four, no, first need more, yes, nice. And now for ask, very, very, very strong. But I think I try to nice, and one first, nice picking was picked. It's very look very easy in this. In hand, it's really problem. So thank for everyone for watching. I will happy for comments and every move on the channel, positive move. Have a nice time, everyone. Goodbye. Bye.